Urban and Backyard Nature, May 2025, Part 6. The ticks are out. Protect your dogs and check your crevices. An American herring gull finds a treasure in the Stop and Shop parking lot. Turkeys forage in our neighbor's yard. A little hickory tree is dotted with galls. Some amber jelly mushrooms catch the light. A patch of native wood anemone on an urban forest floor. Swallows skimming the Charles River. Cedar apple rust, a parasitic fungus with a two-host life cycle. Some bladder campion grows from a crack in the blacktop. Some roadside starlings. And my brother visited and Audie loves him.